Yo, I mean, hello my friends. My name is Jason and today we're gonna unbox the new Petron 4GT with these two boxes right now. Other one is red and this one is black. Let's just review the red first. Okay guys, so this one that costs around like 500 pesos when you make fuel, but now if you don't make fuel it costs around 250 pesos, okay? 50 pesos, okay? Okay, the next thing is let's just go with the details with the box right now. So it has the brand of Petron and this is this is the picture of the Ford GT. And this is the box, guys. Ford. This is the Ford GT, guys. And this is Ford. So this is the details of top the box, guys. So this is the rear. This is the front. This is the whole details, and these are the rims. But over here, you can scan a barcode or like more like a QR code, and these all the details of the box. This is the black car, the red car. Collect them all. The performance is like a thing right now. Rolling start is it's around 5 to 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds. Okay, let's just unbox. This is just a 132 scale model. Let's just unbox it right now. By the way, if you want to unbox this, you can see over here. You can see over here. There you go, guys. This is the details right now. Look at that Ford GT, and there's a Ford, and this is the car right now. So let's just do it later. There you go, guys. So this is the car details right now. Let's see what the details are. So this is the black rims over here in the side, and this is the back. These are the same thing. Okay, with the front, this car, it has a nice looking design over here in this part, because the headlights changed because it was a new model. It was just since the other year of 2015 or 2016. You can see the details in the body car. So it is like kind of the dark red dish in the back. You can see the exhaust is so, oh my, and the headlights look so cool. It looks so cool because it has the engine in the back is here. I don't know if this one is plastic or real. Well, that's just gonna find out if it's real or not. In this part, if you pull this one, it will activate or which not gonna activate this one. What will happen if you do this? It activates. What will happen in these features? Press this for the revving sound. Press this part. The revving sound and the acceleration sound. The thing is, there's more features. If you do this, see, it's as simple as that. There's no on and off switch. It was that means why it features with this. If you just remove this one, it activate the car. There you go, guys. I hope we learned something right now. Got the details over here. The wind goes over here. Shoo, shoo. Thanks for watching, guys. So I hope you will see you in the next video. By the way, today is December. Okay, I forgot now. It's December 15, 2018. Thank you guys for watching.